Hey there, are you curious about ChatGPT? Do you want to know how to use it, make money with it, and get practical examples of what you can do with it? Then you've come to the right place. Welcome to ChatGPT Demystified. Hi, I'm your host Frank, and I'm here to guide you through the exciting world of ChatGPT. Whether you're a beginner or expert, this channel is for you. We'll cover everything from the basics to advanced topics, including how to use ChatGPT, how to make money with it, and practical examples of what you can do with this powerful tool. You'll see how to use ChatGPT to create engaging and compelling content, build chatbots, answer customer queries, and more. You'll also learn how to monetize your skills and generate income by using ChatGPT. We'll break down complex topics and explain them in simple terms, so you can learn at your own pace. Plus, we'll provide tons of practical examples and tutorials to get you started. And we want you to be part of the conversation. So be sure to drop a comment, share your prompts and questions, or just say hi. We'd love to hear your feedback and suggestions for future videos. So, if you're ready to unlock the full potential of ChatGPT, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Together, we'll demystify ChatGPT and unlock the endless possibilities of this powerful tool.